Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the subnetting in the Cisco Packet Tracer. Without further delay, let's start the video. So given the IP address 192.168.1.0/25, or we can simply write this as the IP address 192.168.1.0 and subnet max 255.255.255.128, which binary form will be 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here the number of subnet is equals to 1. The number of subnets bit. Number of host bit is equal to 7. Usable host for subnets equals to e raised to power 7 minus 2 is equals to 128 minus 2 is equals to 126. Host range or subnet 1 subnet address is to 1.0. Usable host range 168.1.1 to 126. Broadcast IP 192.168.1.127 or subnet 2. Subnet address will be 192.168.1.128 usable host range 192.168.1.129 to 254. The broadcast IP will be 192.168.1.255. So for this we need one router corresponding to switches. sorry, subnet 1, subnet 2, and this is our subnetting. One 192.168.1.2 129 to 25 according to the questions. One dot 92.168 dot 1.2.25 is its IP. Default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. For this PC, the IP address 192.168.3 192.168.1.3 times 25, and default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. and for this network the IP address was 192.168.1.130/25. Default gateway was 192.168.1.129. IP 192.168.31.25. DG was 192.168.1.129. Now we are going to give the IP address for all of these computers. Desktop IP configuration. IP before address was 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask was 128. Default gateway 2.168.1.1. and for this PC I'll give the IP address for this PC for default gateway. This IP address 192.168.1.3. subnet mask will be 128. and 168.1.3 1.30 1 128 129. IP configuration 192.168.1 dot 131 128 129, and here we can give 131. enable configure interface gigabit Ethernet 0,0,0 0,0,1. IP address 192.168.1.1. Default gateway 255.255.255.128. IP address and default gateway. Yes. No shutdown. Interface your ATS here and Ethernet 0/0/1. I will give the IP address for this path 0/0/1. IP address was 192.168.1.129. Subnet marks 255.255.255. Shutdown. It gives failed. Similarly, I will try. If you want to ping this file, one prompt ping 192.168.1.131. It gives reply.